How to add or change your profile picture on your Cake application. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we talk about today how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your Cake application like this. It will open directly on your home page, on your path page. As you see right now, just come to your profile right here and go to your settings. Here on settings, guys, you will find like a lot of options. The first option, this is your profile picture. Click on this camera icon like this, and for example they will tell you if you want to take a new picture or photo or import from gallery. I will choose to take a photo, and I will take a photo right now, and I will use it as my profile picture, and then click OK and click I don't know, I will just scroll it, and when I finish I will just click down here. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.